In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Basecamp email notifications. For anyone using Basecamp for project management, notifications can be both a blessing and a curse. They keep you in the loop, but can also overwhelm your inbox quickly. If you're finding yourself drowning in email notifications from Basecamp, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to turn those notifications off and reclaim your inbox. First things first, you need to navigate to the Basecamp website. Once you're there, the process to sign in is pretty straightforward. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. You have a couple of options for signing in. You can either use your email and password combination, or for an even quicker entry, sign in using your Google account. This flexibility ensures you can access your account in the manner most convenient for you. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to locate your profile picture. You'll find it in the top right corner of the Basecamp interface. It's your gateway to personalizing your Basecamp experience, including managing your email notifications. Upon clicking your profile picture, you'll be presented with several options. Look for the one that reads Turn Notifications Off. Clicking this is akin to telling Basecamp, hey, let's take a break from the emails for a while. It's a liberating click that will immediately stop Basecamp from sending you email notifications. This way you can enjoy working without the constant barrage of notifications and check in on your projects on your own terms. Now, it's important to remember that turning off email notifications doesn't mean you'll be out of the loop. Basecamp still keeps a record of all notifications, which you can easily review at any time within the platform itself. So you have the peace of mind knowing that you won't miss anything critical. This process is simple, quick, and can significantly improve your workflow by reducing distractions. If you ever find yourself missing those notifications, or if the situation at work changes, you can easily turn them back on by revisiting your profile settings. Basecamp gives you the control to manage your notifications in a way that best suits your working style. And that's it. You now know how to turn off Basecamp email notifications. This little tweak can make a big difference in managing your daily workflow and reducing email clutter. Remember, the key to effective project management is not just staying informed, but also maintaining control over the information you receive and when you receive it. By taking control of your Basecamp email notifications, you're ensuring that you dictate the terms of your inbox, not the other way around. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial brings a little more calm and organization to your day. Remember, it's all about finding the balance that works best for you.